Let's simplify this. I have this, so I'm going to have 5 over 8 of its multiplication. 2 times 2 plus 1, that is 5 over 2 minus 3 over 4 times this goes up, this comes down. So this cuts this here, and I have nothing goes here. 5 times 5 is 25 over 16. 2 times 8 minus 5 over 4. The LCM of this is 16. 16 is 16. 1 times 25. 25 minus 4 in 16. 4. 4 times 5, that is 20. This gives me 5 over 16. Alright, let me say this is my number 18. I go ahead to have number 19 here. So let's quickly do this. I have 25 raised to the power of 1, 2 over 3 divided by 25 raised to the power of 6, all over 1 over 5 raised to the power of minus 7 over 6 times 1 over 5 raised to the power of 1 over 6. So let's simplify this. These are of the same basis. I will simply take one of the bases. I have 25. This is division in indices. When you have division in indices, the powers will be subtracted. 2 over 3 minus 1 over 6. Okay. And this is my numerator. The LCM of this is 6. Okay. 3 in 6, 2 times 2, 4 minus 6 in 6, 1 times 1, 1. This gives me 25 raised to the power of 4 minus 1 is 3 over 6. Now for the denominator, which is 1 over 5 raised to the power of minus 7 over 6, it's multiplication, so we'll add the powers together. 1 over 16, they have the same basis. Alright, 6 is the LCM of this. 6 and 6, 1 times this, that's minus 7 plus 6 and 6, 1 times this, that is 1. So this gives me 1 raised to the power of minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6 over 6 here, right? So this is my denominator and this is my numerator. So what I will basically have is, I have my numerator, which is 25 raised to the power of 3 over 6 over 1 over 5 raised to the power of minus 6 over 6. This cancels, that's minus 1. This in this, that is 1 over 2. Therefore I have 25 raised to the power of 1 over 2 over 1 over 5 raised to the power of minus 1. This means the square root of 25 over 1 over 1 over 5. The square root of 25 is 5. Okay, over the inverse of 1 over 5 is 5 as well. Therefore I have this cancels this 1. My final answer is